Now let us solve the fourth main 3 marks question. Answer the following questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Question number 16. Two windmills of height 50 meter and 40 meter are on either side of the field. A person observes the top of the windmill from a point in between them. The angle of elevation was found to be 45 degree and 30 degree. Find the distance between the windmills. Here two windmills are there. Height of the windmills are given and angle of elevation of the top of the windmill from the point between the windmills are also given. We have to find the distance between the windmills. Let us have the rough sketch of the windmill. AB is a windmill with the height 50 meter and CD is the windmill with height 40√3 meter. You know that 40√3 is more than 50 meter. So we have taken the height of the CD is more than the height of the AB. Then you take the point in between the windmills and the angle of elevation of the windmills are given. Angle of the elevation of the first windmill AB is how much? 45 degree and the windmill CD is 30 degree. Then to find the distance between the windmill, the distance between the windmill is BD. From B to D, how much distance is there, that you have to find out. Now you take the triangle ABP. You know that windmills are perpendicular to the ground. So the angle B and angle D are right angle triangle. Here we have to use the trigonometric ratio, and in the first step we have to find BP and next we have to find out PD. To find BP, use the right angle triangle ABP. To find PD, use the right angle triangle PCD. Here, by using this right angle triangle, we can get the value of BP, and by using this right angle triangle, you can have the length of PD, and by adding BP and PD, you will get the distance between the windmill. So you take in the right angle triangle ABP. In the right angle triangle ABP, here AB is given. We have to find out BP, and AB is opposite side for angle 45 degree and BP is adjacent side. Which trigonometric ratio is having opposite side by adjacent side? That is tan theta. So you take tan 45. Here theta is 45 degree. Then you take tan 45 degree is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BP. AB by BP. Then what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1 equals AB is 50 by BP. So do the cross multiplication. 1 into BP, that is BP is equals to 50. BP is equals to 50 meter. Then to find PD, write the right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, PDC or CDP. Here again we have to find out PD, which is the adjacent side, and the opposite side CD is given. So the trigonometric ratio having opposite side by adjacent side is tan theta. That is tan 30 is to be considered here. Right, tan 30 degree equals tan 30 degree is equals to opposite side CD by adjacent side PD. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals CD is 40 root 3 by PD. To the cross multiplication, 1 into PD equals 40 root 3 into root 3. 1 into PD. 1 into PD is PD is equals to 40 root 3 into root 3. 40 root 3 into root 3, that equals 40. 40 into root 3 is 3. 40 into 3, that is 40 into 3. 40 into 3 is 120. 120 meter. This is 120. This is 50. 120 plus 50 is 170 meter. The distance between the windmill is 170 meter. Then you write BD is equals to BP plus PD equals what? BP is 50, PD is 120 equals what? 170 meter. Then you write in the sentence, the distance between the windmills is 170 meter. Write the answer at the end. What is the answer we have to write? The distance between the windmill is 170 meter. Then you take the 17th question. Two vertical poles are on either side of the road. The width of the road is 90 feet and heights of the pole are in the ratio 1:2. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation to the top of the pole is 60 degree. Find the height of the poles. Here try to understand the question clearly. What is given? Two poles are there and heights of the poles are not given. We have to find the heights of the poles and the distance between the poles are given here. The width of the road is 90 feet, means the distance between the poles is 90 feet because the poles are on either side of the road. Width of the road is given, means that is nothing but the distance between the poles. That is AC is given, A to C. Here AD in the figure it is shown, AD is one pole and AC is the other pole, and AC is the distance between the pole, which is equals to 90 feet. And the heights of the poles are in the ratio 1:2. If you take the height of one pole is h, then the height of the other pole is 2 times h. 1:2 means it is h, it is 2h. Or you can take x to x also, or a to a also. So h is the suitable symbol for height. Then you can take h to h. Then from the point between them, here you consider B is a point between the pole. The angle of elevation to the top of the poles is 60 degree and find the height of the poles. Here angle of elevations of both the top from the point B are 60 degree and 60 degree. Here from this point B, D is used and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. If E is used, then also the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Here symbolically it is shown that if you take this distance is x, then naturally the other distance becomes 90 minus x, because the total distance is, the width of the road is 90. So from B to C, if you take it is x, then the remaining length from B to A is to be 90 minus x. It must be 90 minus x. Here we have to find out the value of x. Again we have to use the trigonometric ratio. To find the height of the pole, you must find the value of x. Without getting the value of x, it is not possible to find the height. Now you take any one of the right angle triangle. So I can take this triangle first. So you write in the right angle triangle, DAB, here h is to be find out. It is given in terms of x, 90 minus x. Then you write for this angle, 60 degree angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. That the trigonometric ratio to be used here, tan theta, that is tan 60. Tan 60 degree equals opposite side, AD by AB. AD by AB. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. AD is h and AB is 90 minus x. Consider this is first. Again, apply the trigonometric ratio to the triangle ECB. Again here 60 degree angle is there, and for that EC is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. We have to use the trigonometric ratio having opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan theta. Then you write in the right angle triangle ECB. Again use tan 60 degree is equals to opposite side EC by adjacent side BC. Then tan 60 is root 3 is equals to EC. EC is 2h by BC is x. Consider this is second one. Here you observe the LHS. Root 3 are there. Therefore, RHS must be equal. So you write from first and second. Continue it. From first and second, as LHS are equal, RHS must be equal. So you write h by 90 minus x equals 2h by x. Here you can cancel h and h and do the cross multiplication. What is remaining here? 1 into x and 2 into 90 minus x. 1 into x is x equals 2 into 90 minus x. X equals 2 into 90 is 180 minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Transfer this minus 2x to the LHS. It becomes x plus 2x. X plus 2x equals 180 and x plus 2x is 3x. 3x equals 180. X equals 180 by 3, which is equals to 60. You got the value of x. X equals what? 60. Then 90 minus 60 is 30. Therefore you write x equals 180 by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are 60 is. So you got x equals 60 meter. Then the other one 90 minus x is how much? Then 90 minus x is equals to 90 minus 60, which is equals to 30 meter. Next we have to find out h. You take any one of the relation, this one or this one, Let us take the second one because 2h by x is there. Then you write root 3 is equals to 2h by x, that is root 3 equals 2h by x is 60. 60 you can cancel here, 2 ones are 2 30s are, then it becomes 30 root 3 is equals to h. h is equals to 30 root 3. You got, therefore h is equals to 30 root 3 and 2h is equals to 2 into 30 root 3, which is equals to 60 root 3 meter. Then what is the height of the one pole? Height of one pole is 30 root 3 meter. Height of the other pole is 60 root 3 meter. Therefore you can write heights of the poles are 30 root 3 meter and 60 root 3 meter.